The blacksmithing flower is a folk traditional firework spread in the Henan and Jin areas and is one of the national intangible cultural heritages. Blacksmithing is a kind of large-scale traditional folk fireworks. It is a folk cultural performance skill found by ancient Chinese craftsmen in the process of casting vessels. It began in the northern Song dynasty and flourished in the Ming and Qing dynasties, and has a history of more than 1,000 years. Blacksmithing flowers spread in the middle and lower reaches of the Yellow River, with Henan and Shanxi being the most popular. Kaifeng blacksmithing flower is also known as the first of the Tianfolk arts in the Yellow River Basin. During the performance, a double-layer flower shed 6 meters high was set up in an open field. The shed was covered with fresh willow branches and tied with fireworks, firecrackers, and cargo. An old pole 6 meters high was erected in the middle of the shed, so that the total height of the shed reached more than 10 meters. Set a furnace next to the iron juice. More than 10 performers take turns with a flower stick. Will be more than 1,000 degrees of high-temperature iron juice hit the shed. The formation of more than 10 meters high iron flowers and lit fireworks, coupled with the dragonware flowers performance, the scene is spectacular, showing the characteristics of excitement, festive and lively. The sparkling usually takes place in an open field, where performers set up a 6-meter-high flower shed covered with fresh willow branches and tied with fireworks and firecrackers. Performers will also set up a furnace next to the flower shed to melt iron blocks into iron juice. When the show began, the performers took turns using the flower stick to hit the iron juice of more than 1,000 degrees of high temperature to the shed, forming a 12 meters high iron flower and lit fireworks and firecrackers. The scene is spectacular. Spark has now become an art form with unique charm and is regarded as a national intangible heritage of art. The performance of sparkling requires superb skills and exquisite physical strength, and the performers usually need to use a flower stick weighing more than 10 pounds in turn to constantly hit the iron juice out. At the same time, it is also necessary to accurately grasp the time and strength. Otherwise, it may lead to the failure of the performance.